last 5 years, we established a non-profit foundation called Archaeological Park Bosnian Pyramid of the Sun. In the last 5 years, we have spent over 300,000 hours in archaeological digging, sample testing, and radiocarbon dating. In the 21st century, thanks to very sophisticated methods, satellite, thermal, georadar, and other analysis, we decided that this project will be interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary project, which will get the scientists from different scientific disciplines. This is an archaeological project, but the archaeology does not belong exclusively to the archaeologists anymore. We got the leading geophysicists from Europe, from Germany, their company LJ Biotechnik. They have about 5,000 geophysicists. They came with the georadar equipment which can penetrate the surface for 18 meters. After 10 days, we have checked several locations on the Sun Pyramid, northern side, and the conclusions are: they have checked more than 10,000 square meters, and they discovered 44 anomalies. In the terminology of geophysicists, the anomaly means it's something which is not of the natural origin. What they discovered were the pyramid walls, inner passageways, shaped blocks, and so on. We've done a satellite thermal analysis. What we did, we got the temperature of the valley during the day and during the night, so we could follow the energy loss, the heat loss. If it is a natural hill, the heat loss will be very slow. If it is artificial structure, due to existence of passageways and chambers, the heat loss will be very quick. Now, the quickest heat loss is in the case of the Pyramid of the Sun, Moon, Dragon, and Love. Then we brought one of the famous British scientists called Dr. Harry Oldfield. He belongs to the 21st century. What he did there, he improved what's been known as the Kirlian photography. And he made his so-called PIP camera. This camera can film electromagnetic fields which are otherwise not visible to the naked human eye. Now, this is how natural hill looks like. Look at those fields above the hill. They are horizontal and they are fixed. And now we're going to see how it looked like in the case of Bosnian Pyramid. Look at the fields. They are vertical. They move. This is for the first time that any pyramid in the world got filmed with this camera. So this is a pioneering result. It seems that this pyramid acts like a living being. It gets the energy, get it out, and all these fields above, they dance. Using different methods. I mean, it's not just that one method is enough to say, oh, look at the energy, this must be, artificial structure. We are using that, thermal analysis, georadar, topography, geological, geochemical, seismic, archaeological, and so on. So if you have 15 or 20 different scientific methods, and they all confirm the same thing, the artificiality, then I think people should believe that, it is actually a built structure. What we have here, uncovering the soil at the outside walls of the pyramid. We are discovering rectangularly shaped stone blocks, 4.5 meters by 1.5, 40 centimeters, 7 tons in weight. Well, on every location we are finding some artifacts. For example, the tumulus in Vratnica, we found some pottery pieces, we found stone foot, which is made out of sandstone with the 5 toes. It was probably used as the unit of measurement. As you know, today foot is also used in UK and USA. We are using meters. Then in the tunnels we are finding some tools, some molds. We are finding some stone circles. And I would say at this moment the most important are the structures themselves. I said in the beginning, Egyptology is around 200 years. Most answers we don't know. Here we are at the very beginning. We are scratching the surface. We are not in the pyramids yet. It will take us years and decades to get a pretty close picture. Personally, I believe that the complex here is much, much bigger than we thought today about this complex. After 5 years of investigation in the Bosnian Valley of the Pyramids, we got the following conclusions. First, a huge complex of pyramids is located in Visoko. Second, these are the first pyramids in Europe. Third, these are the biggest pyramids on the planet. The Bosnian Pyramid of the Sun is 220 meters high and Cheops Pyramid is 148. Number 4, we found and confirmed the first ancient concrete in Bosnia, much older than those of the Roman times. Number 5, we discovered the most extensive underground tunnel network under the pyramids. And number 6, we are finding a huge ceramic sculptures, 4 and 8 tons in weight. These proofs require to get a new understanding of European and the world history. Everything we do, we try to get several confirmations. For example, we took the samples of the stone blocks from the Bosnian Pyramid of the Sun and we sent it to 6 different institutions from Bosnia, France, and Germany. Same thing we did with radiocarbon dating and other samples. So I think that so far we've done an excellent job on proving that only with the inter-scientific disciplines we can get the complete pictures about the Bosnian Pyramid.